Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a blue exterior with a beige interior. Sunroof. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 1,830, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio and backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.